8 tools. I'm going to give you 8 free tools that will make your Facebook ads a lot easier.
Looking for clever ways to grow your business? Then you are in the right place. This is where you get a behind the scenes on what's working in marketing today. My name is Wilke, and here's what I discovered.
As a Facebook advertiser, there's a lot of things you need to do. There's a lot of things you can do to increase your conversion rates and make your Facebook ads a lot easier. And for that, there's plenty of tools out there, right? I mean, heck, even we are creating a lot of different ad tools that are basically generating a higher return of investment for our customers, right? But in this video, I want to talk about the free tools that are available for everyone, and that will help you run better ads, be more effective, or save a lot of time, spend less time on setting up your Facebook ads. So these are 8 tools that I'm personally using and I recommend for you as well. The first tool is Pablo by Buffer. It's actually a real simple tool, and it's actually intended to create social media images for your blog post. But in our business, we use it a lot for our ads as well because it's just so simple to use. There's not a lot of the design options. There's not a lot of different things you can do with it. But because of that, it's just real good to just create social media images real quickly that we can then use for our image-based ads. A second tool is CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer. Just a good tool to, once you've written your headline for your ads, to just put them into this analyzer and see if they give any suggestions on how you can improve. This only works for English, by the way, but it's a pretty good tool, so highly recommend it to just, give it a spin. And the third one is what's called Unsplash, and this is actually the resource that we use a lot for various stock images. In other words, the images that we use inside of our ads. There's a lot of images in there. They have a good way of searching and just overall a high quality of stock photos. So when you're looking for an image, highly recommend to check out Unsplash. And number 4 is our own interest search tool. So on this tool, you can enter various keywords, like for example, fishing. And you can then find a lot more interest than you would normally be able to using the normal Facebook ads interface. And you can just add them all on the list here on the left hand side, copy paste them into your Facebook ads account, and this way you have a lot more interest to target on Facebook. Number 5 is the Audience Insights tool by Facebook, and this is just a real good tool to get a better understanding of who your audience is, what demographics there are. For example, you could select a custom audience with your existing customers and see exactly how many are male, female, how many of them are in which age group, etc., etc. It's just a real good way to dive into your actual audience. And number 6 is our Facebook Ads ROI Calculator. So this is a cool tool that will help you get basically an idea of a feeling of how your campaign will perform based on certain numbers, and even more so, what you need to fix or change to make sure your ad campaign is going to be profitable. Because oftentimes it just requires a couple of tweaks in order to go from not profitable to profitable. But you kind of need to know where to put your attention to. And the next one on the list is Adespresso's Facebook ad examples. They basically created a database full of Facebook ads that you can just search through for your inspiration to see what others are doing, so you can be inspired and see what you can use in your campaigns as well. And last but not least, Google Analytics. I mean, which marketer can live without Google Analytics? I know I can't, and it's obviously free as well. So that's basically the 8 tools that I recommend for you to use in your Facebook ads campaign or around your Facebook ad campaigns that are all 100% free. I hope you like it, and I'd appreciate it if you can let me know below what your favorite tool is as well. Any of those 8 or any other ones that I missed as well.